I don't deal with these fake niggas, they too close and I'm too real. I'm laid back with two hoes, I'm too cold and we too chill. So don't kill my vibe, I'm in here with my kinfolk and we just killing some time. Life could be so simple, yo, why these hoes all run to me? I guess misery loves company, so save all your invitations. Who made y'all? Y'all imitations. We roll out to the functions, put the cars out for demonstration just to show y'all the benefits of hard work and paper chasing. I can't believe this lifestyle that we made us so rich. Everywhere we go, bitch, we so fly, them hoes pick. They choose us like we in the fucking draft, nigga. Dead in my neighborhood was a trap, nigga. So peep game on my sneak game, cause everywhere I walk, them threes all on my feet, man. And I guess it's just a street thing, don't broadcast your earnings. You know the drama that the heat bring. All these lames are ballin' now, you can still be a lame with 100,000. You come back to the hood and they run you out. Hot. There's a price that you pay when you run your mouth. They see what you bitch and they call you out. Fuck nigga, like fuck that shit you talking, nigga. And you just keep on talking, nigga. Stump you out in the parking lot, you forgot your pistol. You laid out in the parking spot and they blew your whistle. It's the lifestyle that we always had. Made a move, but I always feel like going back. Back to the hood where you know they always moving packs. Back to the hood where you know you gotta tow the cat. Hood, 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 hood. I'm still a hood nigga, hood. Hood, 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 hood. I'm still a hood nigga. Niggas always on that bullshit. Not only niggas but these bitches too. She hopped up on that dick and did a full split, but she gave it to my nigga too. That's just how it goes. Your main bitch is your main bitch, but your main bitch is my hoe. That's how them fights break out. So what your life be about, nigga? It's the lifestyle that we always had. Made a move, but I always feel like going back. Back to the hood where you know they always moving packs. Back to the hood where you know you gotta tow the gat. Hood, 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 hood. I'm still a hood nigga, hood, 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 hood. I'm still a hood nigga. Straight up. Call it what you want, nigga. Hey, hey, hey. I'm the first one to make it out my hood, though. No D-boy, but I'm moving good, though. I'm the nigga, you ain't know. Ask your girl about me, homie, yeah, she would know. Came a long way from being just another lost nigga. Used to dream about the money, yeah, how to floss with it. Told my mama all I wanna do is be a boss, nigga. And she said all you gotta do is pay the cost, nigga, straight up. And that's some G shit. Now I'm riding with my homies on some G shit.